So dapat you have to seriously consider road safety program now. Every day, no, kita din sa Asia, no, mga depressed countries, about 3,000 people are getting killed every day, and 300 of these are young children. So I am really for road safety because I have children. No, I have a young child, and I am afraid for her as much as for me and for my family. And with these injuries all over the world, 15 million out of the 50 million injuries are considered very serious injuries resulting to death. Okay? And can you just imagine the sole breadwinner of the family leaving behind a wife with kids to take care of financial difficulties in it. So low-income groups, kita hindi ang more prone because it accounts about 85% of the road injuries na happen dito sa atin. So we try our best to formulate any action plans na makakontribute kami to be part of the solution to our road safety problem. Okay. So I would like to take this point briefly, about 12 minutes. We have documentary film. I-share din namin, no? Ang siyang na-achievements ng Project Cares. So,
open door, persons on top of the motor vehicle and driving license. We have some programs and instructions on the helmet, failure to wear seatbelt, and expired license. Okay, thank you. That is our statistics as far as our reports and the Police Prevention Office. And we also would like to thank Ms. May Viva of the CARES program of the United Nations for spearheading this road safety Remembrance Day. Because we do believe that by remembering our victims in traffic accidents, we thereby promote traffic accident prevention and preventing the accident traffic. Naniniwala na kami sa kasabihan at all sa preventions is worthwhile.
By being here is not by accident but by appointment sa Ginoo na nagatawagan nagasabat kita no sa panawagan sa advocacy sa road safety. So kita ya sa government sector, especially sa mensahe ni Governor Marañon, allow me to express, no, to expand the commitment sa atong gobernador, especially sa paghatag sa ni Gobernador Marañon sa direktiba sa atong mga local government units sa pag-implementar, no, sa especially sa mga trucks ang tubog lang ang nagabiyahe kaya ang usual na kitman nga aggravating circumstance kung milling season, that's from September to May of the following year. Katamo-damo sa trucks ang tubong nga nagabiyahe, no, sa mga different roads sa atong probinsya. And more often than not, ang mga average nga 2,500 sugarcane trucks nga nagabiyahe dili sa kada milling season, nag-add up na siya sa existing road traffic problems nato no, sa kanatuig. So sa liwat, in behalf sa ni Governor Marañon, pinahambal niya ang iyang pagsuporta sa sining kausa, sa sining advocacy, and his directive sa ato ng mga local government units sa paghatag sa emphasis, no, sa pagmonitor sa atong mga dalanon, especially sa problema sa spilled canes at mga stalled vehicles. And these are the add-on activities on top sa mga activities sa mga traffic management. Kasi of course, kina-enforce na niya sa atong mga existing local police units Sa dilima nagasulod ang aton nga mga civil defense sympathize coordinators, mga rescue heads, ang aton nga mga local disaster coordinating council sa pagsuporta pagid sa pagmonitor sa nasilingo na sa mga nagalapta nga tubo sa dalan, mga kabiriyang mga truck sa tubo sa pagdugang no, sa pagsuporta sa aton nga mga local police units sa pag-enforce ang traffic safety sa respective area of responsibility sa mga barrio
Is
sa
a major concern of the globe. For that matter, ay nakita ta sa resolution sa United Nations that today is Remembrance Day for all those traffic victims throughout the world. Nakita naman ang statistics, 3,000 people die every day because of accidents. Diri sa Negros, ang akong pag-chinde, there are something like 8 to 10 accidents every day happening. And many of them involve motorcycles. Muna ang sitwasyon di sa Negros. Precisely, the governor is very concerned and supportive of our activities on road safety. That's why he passed a directive the other day, I understand, instructing all the mayors to activate their local road patrol. Pagudto ang nato mga highways will be made safe. As you heard, so many people have been dying lately. So, as you can see sa ato mga posters, it says, be part of the solution. And that means your involvement, your awareness, ang inyong support. So for the private sector, may I suggest to you, if you believe and you want to be part of the solution, give of yourself, of your time. You can involve yourself in any of the 4 major concerns of road safety. Aranada education, aranada engineering, kung sa bagay, iyan na sa gobyerno, pero you can come in the form of maybe tying up with local government, coming up and helping making signs or signages. In that way, you help the government who have very limited resources sa muna na pamagi. See? So, in education, like what we are doing today, this is a form of education. This is a way of creating awareness so that the public will be more aware. So, your participation here in PAC is part of the education process.
When we launched the Road Safety Conscious Mindanao. So thank you so much for your presence.